Alright guys, and as I said before on this build, we had determined that the coils were firing, but it wasn't, the spark plugs weren't igniting because they were carbon and fuel soaked. So after determining that, we threw in new spark plugs. Everything else is the same, and I will show you that coil tester is a good product for just quick and easy tests, especially at home if you don't have a oscilloscope or anything like that, because it fires right up. This thing is cammed. This is a cold start. Beautiful firing up.